Okay, students, class 11th mathematics CBSE. Today we will do the remaining questions of the miscellaneous exercise on chapter number 9. Okay, this is the fourth part of the video for the miscellaneous exercise on chapter number 9 or the last part. Okay, we will do all questions in this exercise. Okay. Students, yesterday we have completed the 23 questions of the exercise. Okay, today we will solve the question number 24th. Okay, and I am reading the question number 24th. Okay, so question number 24th it is if S1, S2, S3 are the sum of first n natural numbers, their squares, their cubes respectively, then we have to show the given expression. Okay, means we have been given S1 is the sum of natural number, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. S2 is the sum of squares of the natural number, that is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. And S3 is equal to sum of their cubes, that is n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, so these are given. S1, S2 and S3 we have been given. We have to show that S3 multiplied by 1 plus 8 S1 is equals to 9 multiplied by S2 whole square. S2 whole square. We have to show this. Okay, so let us start with the left hand side. Left hand side is equals to S3 multiplied by 1 plus 8 S1. So this is equals to S3. Okay, then S3 into 1 plus 8 S1 is equals to S3, this is n square into n plus 1 whole square upon 2 square, that is 4 multiplied by 1 plus 8 into S1, 1 plus 8 into S1. S1 is n into n plus 1 by 2. n into n plus 1 by 2. So this is equals to n square n plus 1 whole square upon 4 multiplied by 1 plus 2 4 the 8, 4 into n square plus n. So this is equals to n square into n plus 1 whole square, and this is 4n square plus 4n plus 1 divided by 4. Okay, so this can be write down as n square n plus 1 whole square. This is 2n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. 4 into multiplied by 36 and multiplied by 36 in both the sides, numerator and denominator. Now this can be write down as n into n plus 1, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6 whole square, and 4 9 are 36, so 9. So this is equals to 9 into this is S2. This is S2 square. S2 whole square. Okay, so we have proved that S3 into 1 plus 8 S1 equals to 9 S2 whole square. Okay, so this was question number 24th and first question of today's class. Now we will take the question number 25th. So question number 25th of the exercise. Question number 25th miscellaneous exercise. Find the sum of the following series up to n terms. Series is given as Sn. Sn equals to 1 cube upon 1 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube upon 1 plus 3 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube upon 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus and so on. We have to find the sum of this series up to n terms. Okay. Now each of the term of the given series is 1 cube upon 1 cube plus 2 cube upon 1 plus 3 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube divided by 1 plus 3 plus 5. So nth term that is Tn of this series is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to n cube divided by 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus and so on up to n terms. Okay. Now 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to n cube is equals to. Now we will solve this. To find the nth term. Okay. 1 cube plus 2 cube means sum of cubes of natural number up to n, and this is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square divided by sum of the odd natural numbers up to n, and this is equals to n square. So this is equals to 1 upon 4 into n plus 1 whole square. So equals to 1 upon 4 into n square plus 2n plus 1. This is Tn. Means this is nth term of this given series. Okay. Now we have to find the sum of all these terms. Sum of all these terms means sum of the nth term up to n. Okay. So Sn equals to summation Tn, n vary from 1 to n. Okay. So summation Tn, that is 1 upon 4 n square plus 2n plus 1, and this is equals to 1 upon 4 summation n square plus summation 2n plus summation 1. Okay. Now this is equals to 1 by 4 into summation n square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6. Okay. We know every term. Summation n is n into n plus 1 by 2. And summation 1, that is 1 plus 1 up to n terms, that is n. Okay. Now we have to solve this. So solving this by taking the common, and we will get the answer. So this is equals to 1 by 4 into n can be taken as common. So n and the remaining terms are n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6 plus this is n plus 1 by 2 and this is 1. Now taking as LCM as 6, 1 upon 4 into n, 6 is taking as LCM, we will have 2n square plus 3n plus 1 plus 2 3 is 6, 3 into n plus 1 plus 1 plus 6. So solving this we will have n by 4 6 are 24, 2n square plus 3n 6n plus 1 plus 3 4 plus 6 10. So 2 is taking as common, n by 12 into n square plus 3n plus 5 plus 5. Okay. N square plus 3n plus 5 and upon 12. Now this cannot be factorized further. So the answer of the series, sum of the series, that is Sn is equals to n by 12, n square plus 3n plus 5. Okay, this is question number 25th. Now we have to take the question number 26. All these are important questions that I am telling you. Okay. So question number 26. Question number 26 is show that we have to show that question is 1 into 2 square plus 2 into 3 square plus n into n plus 1 whole square divided by 1 square into 2 plus 2 square into 3 plus and so on plus n square into n plus 1 is equals to 3n plus 5 upon 3n plus 1. Okay, we have to show this. Okay. Now, first of all, let us see the left hand side. Left hand side is the ratio of the two series. That is Sn and Sn dash. Okay, Sn and S dash n. Okay, sum of the two series, ratio of sum of two series, and we have to show the ratio is equals to 3n plus 5 upon 3n plus 1. Okay, now we have to evaluate both the series, this series and this series separately. After that we will find the ratio. Okay, so first series Sn that is 1 into 2 square plus 2 into 3 square plus and so on plus n into n plus 1 whole square. The Tn means n term of this series is n into n plus 1 whole square, n into n square plus 2n plus 1, that is n cube plus 2n square plus n. Okay, this is nth term. Now Sn is equals to summation Tn. Sum of all these terms, and this is equals to summation n cube plus 2n square plus n. So summation n cube plus 2 into summation n square plus summation n, and this is equals to summation n cube means n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 2 into summation n square n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6 plus summation n that is n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, now taking n into n plus 1 by 2 as common, we will have n into n plus 1 by 2 plus n into n plus 1 by 2 is taking as common, so 2 into 2n plus 1 by 3, 2 into 2n plus 1 by 3 plus 1. Now this is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2 into 2 3 is 6 is taking as LCM, so 3n square plus 3n plus 3 to the 6, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8n plus 4 plus 3 to the 6. Okay, now solving this, we will have Sn is equals to n into n plus 1 by 4, and this is 3n square plus 3n plus 8n 11n plus 10 upon 6. Okay, 10 3 are 30, 5 6 are 30. So n into n plus 1 by 4 into 3n square plus 6n plus 5n plus 10 upon 6. So factorizing this, we will have n into n plus 1 by 4 into 6 into 3n square, 3n plus 5 and n plus 2. This is the sum of the first series, that is series in numerator. Okay, now we have to find the sum of the second series, that is series in denominator. So series in denominator is, now we have to remember this result. We have to remember So second series is S dash n. S dash n equals to 1 square into 2 plus 2 square into 3 plus and so on plus n square into n plus 1, and nth term t dash n is equals to n square into n plus 1 equals to n cube plus n square. Okay, nth term is given as n square into n plus 1. So sum Sn equals to summation Tn equals to summation n cube plus n square is equals to summation n cube plus summation n square equals to summation n cube is n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square plus summation n square n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6. Okay. Now this is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2 is taking as common. We will have n into n plus 1 by 2 plus 2n plus 1 by 3. Okay. So solving this we will have S dash n is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2 into 2 3 is 6 is taking as common 3n square plus 3n plus 3 2 is 6 4n plus 2. So this is equals to finally solving this we will have n into n plus 1 by 24 2 6 ja 12 sorry 2 6 ja 12. Okay, so this is 3n square plus 3n 4 7n plus 2. So n into n plus 1 by 2 6 ja 12 3n square plus 6n plus n plus 2. So n into n plus 1 by 12 into this is 3n is taking as common 3n n plus 2 into 3n plus 1. Okay, now this is 4 6 ja, this is 2 6 ja. So now this is Sn dash and this is Sn. Okay, so we have to find the ratio of Sn and S dash and this is equals to n into n plus 1 by 12 into 3n plus 5 into n plus 2 divided by n into n plus 1 by 12 3n plus 1 into n plus 2. All should cancel except 3n plus 5 upon 3n plus 1. Okay, that we want to find. Okay, so this was question number 26. Now we have to solve question number 27. Question number 27 of the exercise, miscellaneous exercise on chapter number 9. Question number 27. You have just learn the tricks, okay, how to solve the questions. Unless and until you learn the tricks, you can't solve the questions. So we are solving the question number 27. Question number 27 is, I am reading the question. Listen carefully. A farmer buys a used tractor for rupees 12,000. Total cost of the tractor is 12,000. Total cost is equals to rupees 12,000. Okay. Now he pays rupees 6,000 cash. He pays, this is cost of the tractor. He pays rupees 6,000 cash and agrees to pay the balance in annual installment of rupees 500 plus 12% interest on the unpaid amount. Okay, how much will the tractor cost him? Okay, so cash payment cash payment is rupees 6,000. Okay, so balance amount that is equals to rupees 12,000 minus 6,000, that is 6,000 rupees is balance. Okay, now the amount of each installment is rupees 500. Amount of each installment equals to rupees 500. Total number of installments are 6,000 divided by 500 equals to 12 installments are there. Means he will pay the balance amount in total 12 installments. Okay, and each of the installment is rupees 500 plus 12% interest. So first installment is equals to rupees 500 plus 12% compound interest on the unpaid amount. 12% interest on the unpaid amount. Unpaid amount is rupees 6,000. So 6,000 into 12%. 12 annual installment is there. Installment is annual, so time is 1 year divided by 100. So this is equals to 500 and 12 6 720. 720, that is 1250. First installment is of rupees 1250. Okay, 12 6 720. 720 plus 500, that is equals to 1250. First installment. Second installment equals to rupees 500 plus 12% interest on the unpaid amount. Unpaid amount is 5,500 into 12 into 1 upon 100. Unpaid amount equals to rupees 6,000 minus rupees 500, that is equals to 5,500. Okay, this is unpaid amount. So 12% interest on the unpaid amount, that is rupees 500. So this is equals to rupees 500 plus rupees 660. Rupees 660. So this is rupees 11600. Okay, similarly we can find the third installment. Okay, so we will have a sequence of the installment. I am writing here sequence of the installments is equals to rupees 1250, rupees 11600, rupees, this is 1160, 90 rupees. 90 means 1070 and so on. This is the sequence of the installments. Okay, this is the sequence of installment, and total number of installments are 12 installments. So how much the farmer pays in installment? Total amount pays in installment. Total amount paid through installment is equals to total number of installments are 12, and this is arithmetic progression. Okay, sum of 12 installments where A equals to means first term equals to 1250, B d is equals to minus 90. d is equals to minus 90. 60, sorry. 60. 60. 60. Okay. Okay. So this is equals to 12 by 2 and by 2 into 8 1250 1250 plus 12 minus 1 into minus 60. So this is equals to, solving this we will get the amount that the farmer pays in installment. That the farmer pays in installment is equals to 6 into 2500 minus 11 into 660. 11 into 660. So 2500 660 04. This is 4 8 1840. So 1840 into 6 is equals to 11,040. So total cost of the tractor is equals to 6,000 is cash plus 11040 is installment, so 17040. Okay, so the tractor of rupees 12,000 will cost him rupees 17,040 rupees. Okay, this was question number 27. Now we will take the question number 29, and this is last question. Question number 29. Question number 29. A person writes a letter to 4 of his friends. Then he asks each one of them to copy the letter and mail to 4 different persons. Okay, copy the letter and mail to 4 different persons with the instruction that they move the chain similarly. ठीक है? Okay, assuming that the chain is not broken and it now the first person write a letter to 4 of his friend, and each friend will write 4 letters to 4 of his friend. So next will be 4 into 4. Next set of the letters is, and these friends will again write the letter to 4 of his friend. So 4 into 4 means first set is of 4 letters, second set is of 4 into 4 letters, third set is of 4 into 4 letters, and so on. Set of letters or sequence of the set of letters is this. Sequence of set of letter is this. Okay, now we have to find what we have to find. Assuming that chain is not broken and that it cost 50 paise to mail one letter. Find the amount spent on postage when 8th set of letter is mailed. Okay, how many total sets are there? Up to 8 sets. So first of all we will find how many letters have been mailed. Okay, so total letters mailed equals to sum of 8 terms of GP where the first term is 4 and common ratio is also 4. Okay, so this is equals to 4 into 4 to the power 8 minus 1 upon 4 minus 1. 4 into r to the power n minus 1, r to the power 8 मतलब 4 to the power 8 minus 1 upon 4 minus 4 4 जा 16, 4 4 जा 16, 4 4 जा 16 and 4 4 जा 16, 16 16 जा 256 into 256. Okay, so we have to find 256 into 256. This is total number of letters. Total number of letters. Okay, now we have to find the amount spent on mailed the letter. Amount spent on mailing the letters. Mailing the letters is equals to total 50 paise. Total 50 paise is the cost of one mail. Okay, so total, that is 4/3 into 256 into 256 into 50 paise, that is 50 upon 100. 50 upon 100. Okay, 50 to the 100. So this is 2/3 into 256 into 256. So solving this, we will have 256 into 256 is 65536. 65536, and this is equals to multiplying by 2, 131072 divided by 3. After dividing this by 3, 43690. Okay, this is the amount. 43,690 rupees is the amount that we will spend on mailing the letters. Okay, so this was last question, and this is the last part of the video for the miscellaneous exercise on chapter number 9. Okay, thank you.